Meaning of fretsaw.
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 Fretsaw. A fretsaw is a type of saw used for intricate cuts in thin materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. It has a narrow blade held under tension between two arms of a frame, which is held by hand or in a clamp. The blade is moved rapidly up and down to make the cut. The name fretsaw comes from the decorative fretwork that can be produced with this tool. The fretsaw is commonly used in woodworking, model making, and metalworking. It is an essential tool for making precise and detailed cuts in delicate materials.